up, pretty gang? Today's video is gonna be a video of me straightening my hair. It's, you know, I'm not draping, but I mean, hair's grown a lot. So if you guys want to see me straighten my hair, just keep watching. I'm sorry if the camera look a little weird, but if you are already subscribed, subscribe down below. And if you're already, you know, a part of the Pretty Gang, welcome back, baby. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Subscribe to the channel, join the Pretty Gang, and thumbs this video up. And if y'all want to see how I got my hair like this, let's get into the video. so this is my hair. This is how it looks. And I don't even know like where to trim it, where to cut it. Like where it looks like you see how this part looks and then you see how this looks like. I don't know, like. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bump it. Okay, so right now I look like an old lady. What we're gonna do is we're gonna shake. But I mean, that's what we looking like we working with right now. Okay. I did, I'm not gonna do my edges right now because I'm gonna end up doing them in the morning. So it's like kind of like, I kind of wanted the middle part. But I mean, it seems like my hair's saying, Bessie. Go ahead with the sad part, girl. Go ahead with the sad part. Okay, so if you guys like this video, be sure to thumbs it up. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below and join the Pretty Gang. And thumbs the video up if you like it. And until next time, Pretty Gang.